Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a group email in Outlook. Now, normally you would have to click new email here and then add all the recipients in order for you to send messages to everyone. But say for example, we don't want that because that's a hassle. We're going to go ahead and create a new contact here. So we're going to click this people, your contact list. And if you don't have, just go ahead and click create contact list here and then call this one whatever you want. Say for example, this is the admin group. So I'm gonna name that admin and I'm gonna go ahead and add all the recipients here. All right, and then click add. And then if you want to add more, just go ahead and do the same thing here. Click add once again, and there you go. So if that is enough, I'm gonna go ahead and click create right here. And you can see that now contact is, or there's two contacts here. I'm gonna go ahead and click email. Admin is added, and I'm gonna go ahead and type here testing group email, and then click the send button, and let's go back to the email. And since this particular email of mine is part of that group, we should be receiving something here. There you go. I'm gonna click it, and yeah, that is how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.